How can you get a CapCut to access your photos on the iPad? Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe because I have so many CapCut tutorials coming up, so I just don't want you to miss them. Essentially, what you need to do is to open up your settings app as usual, and on the left main panel, go to the apps section at the bottom. Now you can use the search field or just scroll down a little bit to go to the CapCut option. And at the top of the list, we have the photos section, and you just want to make sure that when you click on it, that it's not selected to none, right? You should not have that, but you either select it to limited access, where you specifically decide which photos and videos the app can work with, or I personally give it full access, so every single photo and video stored on my iPad can be accessed by the CapCut video editor for me to import in into the timeline and perform my edits, right? So this is the most convenient option, the full access, right? So I personally do it this way. You can also, as I said, choose specific photos to be accessed with the limited access option. But yeah, that's how you need to do it to make sure that the app can actually work with the files of your photos and videos. So that's it from me. I just quickly wanted to show you and explain how it works. Hit the thumbs up if it worked on your device. Stay tuned by subscribing, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials as well.